Hello viewers, in this session we will learn how to design a character and an environment. We will use photo designing and editing technique to design a character and an environment. You will come across two types of images type. First one is raster, which uses pixels given in x and y coordinates in a display space. And another is vector, which calculates the space between 2 points. That's why vector is sharper than raster.
Go to Document Properties of Inkscape. Set your width and height for the project. Then choose Rectangular Solid tool to draw a box and choose the color from the color palette. Open Fill and Stroke layers and use gradients or solid type of color variants to design the rectangular box. You can choose different types of shades by clicking on the point and choose the desired color from the color palette. Click Ctrl+D in order to duplicate, then stretch it according to the required file size. Now choose Text tool to type the brand name and apply the desired color to it. Use the Bezier Curve tool to create your logo design and fill it with color. Disable the stroke from the stroke style and create another type of shade. Here the design of the logo is being done. The shape is created as per the logo design. It is scaled with respect to the brand name in an appropriate proportion. Let's use a tagline for the brand, that is purified drinking water, safe and pure. We have to strategically adjust it so that the consumers will notice the product details that is being sold to them. Here we are creating another design to provide some additional details. In generally, some necessary informations are provided regarding the product being sold, such as this bottle of water contains 0 calorie and has a capacity of 500 ml. Now we are typing some of the details and required information related to the product. Certain important details can be found imprinted on the label of every product. Information providing manufacturer contact details and a barcode is provided for digital identification. Arrange the address near the barcode so that it is clearly visible to the consumers. We'll add design at the bottom of the barcode. Please recycle is being typed. Now, a recycle logo has to be created in order to symbolize that the bottle is eco-friendly. Now, the circle color is being adjusted. Now, both the designs are being aligned. The details of eco-friendly bottle is being typed, that is 50% less plastic. Scale, rotate and arrange the text around the circle in appropriate proportion. The nutritional facts and ingredient details used for keeping the bottle and water safe to use is being mentioned. Let's save the project and render the output. In the output properties, set 300 dpi in image size and then save the image in desired location. We'll use GIMP software to create a digital art using Sketch. So, first go to File and open a new file. Set the height and width of the image and the resolution is set to 300 ppi. Now click OK. Drag and drop the file and use the scale tool to resize and fit to our desired sketch area. Now click on New Layer tool and create a new layer with the transparency option. Let's create the base for the hair design of the character. To enable bezier handle, press left click and drag. To complete the selection process, press shift and left click on the last finishing point. Now press enter to complete the selection. Choose your desired color and fill it using bucket fill tool. After that, you will have a base in which you can use brush to paint the hair. Choose the opacity and shape, then start brushing it with left click. Rename the layer as character's hair detail. We use brush and eraser to create the details of the hair. The brush is used according to different hair designs and then use the eraser to make highlights of the hair. Use the brush and eraser tool to shade the character. Now we are adjusting the opacity and creating the highlights for hair using eraser tool. Create details for character's cape. Choose character's cape layer and click Alt plus left click so that the highlights will be active. And now go to the above layer. Here you can use brush to edit and paint the cape. In the same way, we'll select the head of the statue and use the brush to start making the outlines. Keep the brush size very smaller so that it can trace the outlines. Left click and brush the strokes to create outline on the statue. After following the same process of coloring and shading, you can notice details of the statue, bridge, gate and the wall. We'll use color balance tool to color correct the wall, like the yellow tone of the wall is being adjusted. After completion, export it in desired output format to a particular location.
Using the following technique, you can design a new art for any product or you can transform any image into an art. Thank you.